a beautiful seed or coffee grinder. It's a must-have for any kitchen. If you buy rosemary stems, you need to grind it up to a powder. This is a great little machine to do your coffee. If you want to grind coffee in the morning from beans, this does a great job. So we've added rosemary stems to the grinder. We're going to turn to a nice powder. And all you do, it's got this little button control here. You just... Let's check it. And look at that. It's a fine, fine powder. And as you can see, we took the rough rosemary and ground it right down to a fine powder. Beautiful. You could do the same with fennel. Any kind of seeds, almonds, make an almond flour. Does a beautiful job. So we're going to do the same with roasted coffee beans. Does a great job. And let's do coffee beans. I like mine very fine grind for my espresso machine. Now look at that. Beautifully done, huh? The longer you hold it, the finer it is. So this is a beautiful addition to any kitchen.